Well, all you need is the top of a pin of blood, and within a few hours, Metro Police will have your DNA information.
That's how advanced investigators have become when fighting crime, but that also has a downfall. Christian Caceres got an inside look at the department's forensic lab and their efforts to keep up with demand.
Metro's forensic lab is one of two in the state. The lab works on a variety of cases from homicides to property crimes, a task that sometimes is not done fast enough for victims.
Clothing, blankets, guns.
The work done with state-of-the-art technology behind this glass wall is mind-blowing.
We used to only get about 16% success when we would test DNA from guns. Currently, with that technology, we're able to get an over 50% success from DNA from guns.
Kimberly Murga is the director for the laboratory services for Metro. For her and her team, the work is nonstop.
In the past 12 months, we've received over 2,700 total requests for service on DNA. We've completed over 2,800 analyses in the past year. Currently, we have a backlog of about 1,700 forensic laboratory requests specific to DNA.
Among those requests, the Tamika Williams case. The 41-year-old was found February in an apartment near downtown Las Vegas. She was strangled. Danielle Staple, executive director with the Rape Crisis Center, says one of the hardest things is accepting there is little control anyone has on these situations.
Often it is really challenging, particularly for parents. We offer support for partners, siblings.
DNA from Williams' hands led to the arrest of 23-year-old Shalom Duncan. While some families get justice, Staple says others do not, especially with the data system.
That's not just a local thing, right? Because we have people who, for example, were assaulted here maybe as guests to our area, and they may never have lived here.
With all the work the lab does, there is a need to keep that crime fighting. That's money. In 2017, the approval of AB 97 allocated a one-time fund of $2.3 million to mandate kits be submitted to the forensic lab for analysis within 30 days and completed within 120 days.
Those funds are going to sunset in June of this year. So right now, one of the challenges we're looking at, how do we bridge that gap?
A gap, Murga says, will reduce staff and slow down the process, a concern for any victim waiting for justice.
This summer, the lab will get a new tool which promises to provide investigators with better leads and answers to some cold case murders and even current investigations. Christian Caceres, 8 News Now.